This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Evelyn Thomas. Beautiful home with an open floor plan in Meadows Landing. Home features a large eat-in kitchen with stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, island, and pantry. Has a downstairs flex room. The generous-sized primary bedroom has double vanities, soaking tub, separate ceramic tile shower, and large walk-in closet. The loft area is a great playroom or office. The two other bedrooms, one with a walk-in closet and laundry room, complete the second floor. The fenced-in backyard is great for entertaining. Directions: US 58 Watts, L on Holland Rd, R on Kilby Shores, R on Turlington, R on Meadows Landing. For more information, review the details below or contact Evelyn Thomas at 757-650-2449.